green, Mananagat Kultura 2025 is... Mananagat Kultura 2025 is candidate number... Candidate number 9, Sandra Marie.
By this announcement, the remaining finalist is also honored with the title Queen Manaragat Kalibungan 2025, recognizing her outstanding devotion to environmental advocacy and her passion for caring for our earth. We congratulate this candidate as your journey tonight has truly distinguished you and left an unforgettable mark on us all. Our Queen Manaragat 2025 is candidate number...
To present the award for Queen Manaragat Kalibungan 2025 is Mr. Teenager Universe 2024, Lord Figueres, and Queen Manaragat Kalibungan 2024, Ms. John Riga. To present the award for Queen Manaragat 2025 is Ms. International Queen Philippines 2024, Sophia Arcangel, and Queen Manaragat 2024, Ms. Rodel Rivera. The newly crowned Queen Manaragat 2025 is the official, the City Splash Salon and Spa Ambassador, entitled to 2-year premium services. City Splash proudly welcomes Queen Manaragat 2025 to the family, where confidence, care, and style come first.
And now, our Queen Manaragat 2025 is you, candidate number... Candidate number 1,
That means our Queen Mananagat 2025 is new candidate number 3, Marta Caballero.
Congratulations!
Our beloved audience, thank you for being with us. Your presence has given life to this night of culture, tradition, and Catalonia City. And of
Hello! Shout out to Mac George.
Diba?
Sana manalo siya.
Iya ko na ako ginulat mag Mr. Manaragat.
Hoy!
Hi guys! Subscribe to Mac Jids channel. Please subscribe to Mac Jids channel. Subscribe to Mac Jids channel.
Please follow Summer Ladies Drive and Mac Jim TV. So behind that camera is one of my my favorite local content creators. Make sure to follow Summer Elias Pride Facebook page now.
Mac Juice Channel, sana ipapatuloy mo yung mga vlog mo. Kaya more viewers and God bless you.
Hi guys, follow Summer Latest Pride and MacJod TV. Thank you.